Good morning everyone. My name is Trupti Vinod Bhale. I am studying in BSc third year PCM group from Indira Gandhi Kala Mahavidyalaya, Rayagam. My seminar topic is convolution theorem for Fourier transform. The convolution of two functions f of x and g of x in lies between minus infinity greater than x greater than infinity is denoted by f star g and defined as f star g is equal to integration of minus infinity f of u into gx minus u into du. The statement of Fourier transform of convolution of f of x and g of x is the product of Fourier transform, that is, Fourier transform of convolution of f and g is equal to Fourier transform of convolution of f of x and into Fourier transform of convolution of g of x. Then by proof, by definition of Fourier transform f of x, by definition of Fourier transform of f Fourier transform of convolution f and g is equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity f star g into e minus iota lambda x into dx. Integration of minus infinity to infinity, limit as it is, f of u into gx minus u into du into e iota lambda x into dx by definition of convolution. Now we reverse the order of integration on right side. This is possible. Integration of minus infinity to infinity f of x into dx and integration of minus infinity to infinity g of x into dx both converge. This is one of the conditions in the Fourier integral theorem. We assume that the functions considered obey the condition of the Fourier integral theorem, hence the reversal of the order is admitted. Then Fourier transform of convolution f and g is equal to integration of minus infinity to f of u into du f of u into du. Now the integration of minus infinity to infinity gx minus u into e minus iota lambda x into dx, put x minus u is equal to t. Integration of minus infinity to infinity f of u into du close bracket integration of minus infinity to infinity g of t into e minus iota lambda u plus t into lambda u plus t dt. Integration of minus infinity to infinity f of u into e minus iota lambda u into du. Integration of minus infinity to infinity g of t into e integration of g minus infinity to infinity g of t into e minus iota lambda t into dt. Hence the above value gives the f of x and g of x. Hence the functions is f of x and g of x for Fourier transform for convolution theorem is proved by reference by Carde in mathematical method. Thank you.